Hello guys, welcome back to Code with Bishal YouTube channel. This is another part of complete web development series. In this video, we will understand text formatting in HTML. What is text formatting? Text formatting basically means the format of text you want to display on the web page. There are bold text, important text, italic, emphasized text, marked text, smaller text, deleted text, inserted, subscript, and superscript. We will understand all this text formatting one by one. First, let's understand what is the difference between uh, B tag and strong tag or elements. The B tag elements defines the bold text without any extra importance, but the strong elements defines the text with strong importance or higher importance. The I and EM text are similar. The EM only displays the italic text and EM defines the extra importance with italic text. Small tag is used to define a smaller text in the browser, and mark element is used to define or mark highlighted text. Del tag is used to define the text that has been deleted from the document. It will make a line through the text. And ins tag, the ins element define a text that has been inserted into document, like you deleted one text and inserted another text. Ins tag basically underlines the text. The sub element defines subscript. Subscript text appears half a character below the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. Subscript text can be used for chemical formulas like H2O and other elements. And super tags defines the superscript text, like formula a square plus b square. This kind of formula you use superscript. So let's understand it by doing. Let me open my code editor. You can use any, but I will suggest to use VS Code. Now I am on my code editor. I will create a new file named text formatting, and you also create another file. You can see I created a file called text formatting.html. We will write HTML boilerplate. To directly write HTML boilerplate, just write HTML:5 and hit enter. Now by pressing tab, you can switch the section, and let me change the title. Let me write what is text formatting in HTML. So let me create first a div. We'll group all the text formatting code on inside div. First, let use strong element. First, let B tag. Then this is bold text, and let's see strong tag. For writing strong, str, write strong and enter, and write this is strong text, and right click and open with live server. See, both look same. Let me give a br line break. See, both look same, but this is only the bold text, and this is bold text with extra importance. This is used for search engine to highlight the important text by making it bold. And we will use comment. We will see I versus em. I is italic text, and we will see em. This is another italic text, and give me a let me give a line break br and open it on text editor. You can see this both look same, but the difference is this is normal italic text, and this is italic text with extra importance. And small, see small text. So this will be a smaller text that is displayed on the website. This is used to display smaller text than normal text. And after this, let me try mark. It will highlight the text inside the mark element. See, this is mark text, and we will see deleted text. It will just put a line through over the text inside del. See, give a br after this, and we will see ins tag. This will insert a new text. Sorry. See, it will underline a text, and this looks like a inserted text. And we have sub and super subscript, and it is used to write chemical formulas like this as, and it will be as 2O, which is chemical formula of water. See, and let me write a square plus b square formula. For this, let me write a sup super, and is a square plus b square, and this all for text formatting. To understand this, use all this text formatting to write something about yourself, to explain about yourself, and you will understand all the things properly. Highlight the important text with a mark tag, and if you have changed something, then use del tag, and you can use inserted text, or you can also use small text to in different scenarios. So this was our video. I will see you on next video. Thank you.